welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm going to be sweating loads, doing something relatively simple, and it is the first engine bay mod I'm doing to the CL9. And it is to replace the standard panel filter with this, a PIPERCROSS one. Now, PIPERCROSS have got a great reputation. I didn't want to go for a cone system at the moment. I can't afford an in-gen induction kit. So this was the next, I pressed the horn. So this was the next best thing, the PIPERCROSS panel filter. Will it be easy to install? Yes, hopefully. Will it be performance enhancing? Maybe a little bit, maybe a couple of horsepower more. Will it make the car sound better? Quite possibly. Do I want that to happen? Yes. So let's get it done. So there we have it. It took about 10 minutes, not too long. I did drop a bolt, which was annoying, but I recovered the bolt and everything is fine. Will it make any sound difference? Well, let's go and start it up and see. Will it make a sound difference? Will it? Will it make a sound difference? Well, I think anything can make a sound difference at the moment, as it makes virtually no sound whatsoever. So yeah, that's it. A nice simple installation of a PIPERCROSS panel filter in my CL9 Honda Accord Type S. It was nice and quick. It wasn't particularly difficult, other than me being a bit cack-handed and dropping a bolt. I recovered the bolt. We're still winning. We are. Will it make much difference performance-wise? Yeah, maybe not that much difference. You know, it might sound a bit better, which is great. It might give me maybe 2 brake horsepower more just because it's a, you know, it's a performance filter. But either way, it's an upgrade. It's the first one for the car. It's my first engine bay mod on the CL9, and it was easy and it's done. Simple. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then please subscribe. It means a hell of a lot to me, and I appreciate every single subscription. Is that right? Every single subscriber sounds a bit better, doesn't it? And I appreciate every single subscriber. And I do, that's the truth. Also, find me on Facebook under SULKNATIONtv, Instagram under Project Sulk, because I like to confuse people. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.